What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, we out here in California with a special guest all the way from Australia, from down under. Mr. MyRandomLife247, right? 247? I throw the 247 on there. Anyways, all the way from Australia, visiting on his world tour, I guess. Sorta.
Yeah, kind of.
So you've been from Australia to New Zealand.
Yeah. So I'm not from the most typical part of Australia. I'm from Darwin, which, if you've seen Crocodile Dundee, the first movie, where that was shot, that's
it.
That's like the outback of where I live.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
a lot of movies have been shot there, but I'm in the capital city of the state called the Northern Territory.
Okay. I tried to put a map up here, but
Did you
probably
remember watching Top Gear? Top
Yes.
Gear when they went to Australia?
Yeah. That's where it was? Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, he flew all the way out here, and he's been riding around California pretty much all day. You got the rest of the week, I think, right?
Yeah.
So we're over here by Ortega Highway. We're going to go shoot up that road, enjoy the road, enjoy the views, and have some fun on this FZ10 right here. All right, let's go. Is it going that way? I think we gotta go right.
Don't get me lost, man.
Sorry. I'm not from here, so this area, I should say.
Neither am I, man. I'm definitely not from here.
I guess you're like on another level not from here.
Yeah. I'm like 20,000 Ks not from here.
In Australia, you guys drive on the right side or the left side? Left side. How was adjusting to that? There you go.
Fucking love this thing. Oh no, it's been fine, eh? It's funny, Adrian Nickelodeon commented on one of my photos yesterday.
Uh-huh.
And he's like, how does it feel having the throttle of the bike on the wrong side? Because bikes aren't left-hand drive or right-hand drive, so he's just making fun of me. Like, how does it feel having the throttle on the left-hand side? And I was like, it's like giving yourself a ghostie. Now, you know what the stranger is, right?
Yeah, with your other hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird because there's like, we'll run into these fences, and they're full of rocks.
Pardon?
You'll see. We'll hit these fences, and the fences are holding back boulders that have fallen off the mountain. You're like, yeah, I'm glad that fence is there.
Oh, that fence is going to fucking do much. I love it here, man, because we drive on the left, you can't wave at people because you have to take your hand off the throttle.
Oh, yeah.
So
you don't have that problem here.
In Australia, we just nod, or I generally go chuck a peace sign, but here I fucking love it, man, for that. What's the speed limit on this road?
I don't know.
I might have to use your little spray thing once we stop, because it's clean and now it's covered in bugs.
Yeah, that's why I keep it with me. There's always a lot of bugs around here.
Wow, man, this view takes my breath away.
Yeah, it's beautiful up here.
Yeah. Especially
this time of year where, everything's kind of green. Normally everything's dead, so it's usually brown.
Yeah. The reason I hired this bike is I want to buy one in Australia, but the dealership didn't have demos for me to test.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a perfect way to test ride it.
I know, live with it, date it.
Yeah.
Fuck finding out how good a bike is on a 15-minute test ride around the block.
Right. Take that bitch out for a week. Yeah. We can pass right here. God damn. Oh, not anymore. That thing is
close the gap.
Yeah, that thing is fast as fuck. That's nice, man.
It just wants the head shake though. It's just like it's trying to keep the front wheel down.
At least it has a damper, right? A steering damper. That's fucking crucial.
Yeah. Sorry, was that a bit too loud?
Oh no, not at all. That fucking sounds good, man. Then I ride with Kenny. He has an H2 with a full system on it. That bitch is loud. You can't even hear yourself think.
Wow. So we just came up from down there.
Yeah, yeah.
Holy shit. I can't let us through.
And the views get better, man. Like, they get better. Oh yeah, there you go. See the snow?
Oh wow. Yeah, I saw that from the plane.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow in the mountains around here.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, man. Look at that, man.
That's stunning.
That's a fucking view right there.
View ropes.
I've never stopped up here, by the way. I've always
really?
run past it. Holy crap.
I've got my GoPro. I might just pull that out.
And this is Lake Elsinore.
Ah. Sorry, I'm just gonna...
Hands a little cold?
Yep.
He's like, that's a nice bike. They were staring at it for a minute.
I'm gonna take you to a hotel room and suck your brains out.
Yeah.
You got a purred mouth.
How did you say it's good enough for my...
Good enough for the girls I date.
Yeah.
It's really quick. Alright, see you later.
All right. Damn, I forgot to wipe my visor.
Yeah, same. I'll let those tires warm up.
Yep. They probably got cold real quick out here.
Yeah.
Just some car parts on the side of the road, that's
Yeah,
it.
I know. Some victims.
I guess they put this to keep all the rocks from... Oh my god, look at the size of that boulder. This little thing fucks with your brain, man. You're trying to drive through there.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
I slowed down.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
There you go. They
Fucking
typically don't wave back.
He's got one of those Nazi helmets.
Yeah. Those SS. Yeah.
9! It's interesting, you don't have speed cameras here. You just have red light cameras.
Yeah, just red light cameras. Yeah, we don't have speed cameras. Or like Mr. Fish was saying, now they have noise cameras?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
That's crazy. God damn it.
Buzzkill. Woo! Slow down there, hot stuff.
Yeah. Oh.
Because if you haven't got anything, we can fill up. Go to... Because every one of my family members says, go try IHOP, go try IHOP. Is it okay?
It's have you had Denny's?
No. See, I'm vegetarian, not vegan. Because if I was vegan, I would have told you like 20 times.
Yeah. Bro, I'm vegan. Yeah, no.
Hey, we're turning left here. Sorry, I'm vegan.
Damn, that's a nice bike. Does it come with vegan?
Yeah.
Does it use... No.
What's the weather like? Oh, I don't know. I'm vegan.
I don't know. I'm vegan. I'm sorry. I don't.
Bro, I saw fucking some cunt on the 405 doing their fucking homework while they were driving. I had a notebook.
While they were driving?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I was like, yeah, phone. I see that everywhere. This cunt had he had the notebook pressed up against the steering wheel. It was a woman, mind you, and she's like, 2 plus 2 equals 5.
Was she a Tesla?
Pardon? Nah.
At least there's an excuse if you have a Tesla.
Yeah. I know my 2 plus 2 is 5 and my ABDs.
ABDs?
Oh my god, so many people run red lights here.
Yeah, we gotta wait for these guys.
I was gonna go.
I'm glad you didn't. I mean, you would have made it.
Yeah.
Oh, this light is garbage. Let's go. Let's go into the... That light is garbage. There's Santa Claus. Did you see that?
Nah.
There was Santa Claus on a Harley. Like, he had the beard, the hat, everything. So I don't necessarily think you're gonna be impressed with IHOP. It's not horrible food, but it's not like if I was going to another country, I probably wouldn't have told you, oh, you gotta go to IHOP.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I think if Denny's is gonna be better. But they do got good pancakes here if you like pancakes. I know, what do you guys think? He was recommended IHOP. I'm curious what everyone thinks in the comments, their opinion on IHOP. And I'm curious what you'll think about IHOP afterwards. We'll see.
This is like a sub D video.
Alright guys, so anyways, thank you sir for dinner, lunch, dinner. I don't know what that's considered, something, but was it what you heard? Like, or was it, yeah, see, that's what I thought. Anyways, I'll put a link to his channel. Make sure to go check him out. Go hit that subscribe button. Go say what up to the people down under.
You can subscribe, but there'll be like fuck all videos, so you can just watch all my old shit. It's pretty good.
There you go. Anyways, we might go riding again as the weather holds up. It's been up in the air, but other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, all that other good stuff. Until next time, peace.